Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet without oil. First, select a high-quality non-stick pan, ensuring its surface is in excellent condition. Place the pan on your stove top and preheat it over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. While the pan warms, crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, add a small pinch of salt, and whisk them vigorously until they are light and frothy. Once your pan is perfectly preheated, carefully pour the whisked egg mixture directly into the center. Allow the eggs to spread naturally and begin to set for approximately 30 seconds without any stirring. As the edges start to firm up, use a heat-resistant spatula to gently push the cooked portions towards the middle, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Now it's time for your favorite fillings. Sprinkle your chosen ingredients, like cheese or finely chopped vegetables, onto 1/2 of the partially set omelet. Continue cooking for an additional 30 to 60 seconds, allowing the fillings to warm and the eggs to firm up further. With your spatula, carefully fold the unfilled half over the filled side, creating a perfect, oil-free omelet. Your delicious, oil-free omelet is now ready to enjoy. Carefully slide it from the pan onto your serving plate. This method creates a light and fluffy omelet, perfect for a healthy breakfast or brunch. Remember to clean your non-stick pan gently with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge to maintain its surface for many more oil-free culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.